So you saw, I put some macaroni into boil because it is the super macaroni. Well, you know, on these hard working days, when I come back home, I don't have the capacity to cook anymore. Neither do I feel like ordering out, it's all oily, greasy. You can't eat out every day, right? In those days, you have to be the Superman yourself. So this meal is about saving yourself. Welcome to Spice It Up with Saransh and Bartoli. Today's macaroni is unlike all the other macaronis you have ever had. This is going to have some keema in it. So we're going to make a desi style keema, very Sadak Chef style, and then toss it with macaroni. And then we can just have it. And it's a simple recipe, 20 minutes and you're free. Oh yes, very simple. So let's get started. The macaroni is boiling. Let's get to our sauce. First, we're going to add some Bartoli Classico olive oil. You know the best part about this oil? You can make Indian curries and gravies and they all taste better. You know, a lot of people think, oh, we are adding olive oil. I don't know what is going to happen to my gravy. Will it taste different? Not at all. It just improves the flavor of your dish. If at all, it adds. And if you think, you know, it's going to change your dish, no. We're going to add some Tez Patta and Dalchini to this. Time to add some fine chopped green chilies, ginger and garlic. Let's add onions and give it a toss. Beautiful aromas are already coming out. Our pasta macaroni is boiled. Let's chano it. What a well-boiled macaroni. Once the onions start to brown, let's add keema to it. Well, I have a lot of keema in my fridge. I keep it for days like these. Whenever you're buying keema, freeze it. You can use it whenever in need. A very important step of when you're making the keema is to constantly break it as it cooks. Otherwise, you'll have these fat lumps. You don't want that. Keema has to be coarse. It has to have these fine granules and not like fat granules or chunks. It's time to add dry spices to it. Kashmiri red chili powder and a bit of haldi for nice color. Wow, look at this color of the keema. Now is the time to add some tangy tomatoes. These tomatoes are very important because that's how the pasta will go well with keema. Well, now the tomatoes have become soft and keema has started to release oil. Right time to add our tomato puree. For any pasta, it has to have some sauce. So tomato puree will act as a sauce here. Also, it will remind you of a desi bolognese. You know how they have meat bolognese? We're doing like an Indian bolognese here. You can use chicken or mutton. Any meat would do well in this format. This is the right time to add lots of cracked black pepper and salt. Time to add macaroni. And now let's toss. For topping, you will add a bunch of coriander leaves or you can finely chop and add coriander also. Keema macaroni. I am very hungry. I have earned this meal. Why don't you guys earn your meal as well? But you'll have to cook for it. It's simple, 20 minutes. Try it. Spice it up with Saransh and Bartoli, and I'll see you very soon.